Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a choppy day trading recap. Choppy, but I did well. Actually, both sides worked for me. It's just a few stops, but some of them really worked really well. Like as you can see, the one I really like was this short here and the long here, but I got stopped out a few times. So first I took it long, hoping for a 1 minute or break of this 50-50, but it didn't work. So I stopped out like just in the middle. So it's not a big loss. Eventually I waited a bit, see how it goes. I was considering taking it long again, and then I kind of rejected it, and then I felt like, oh, I guess it's weak, and then I shorted it, risking this top here. Eventually it worked, and then I'm back in green. So those are the ones I like. And I even added here and stop out. I'm not sure if this is break even or maybe I let it go a bit, because I like this stock can move crazy. So I kind of like give it more room, a little bit of room. Yeah, so stop out there. And then I saw it went back again. I was like, this is the one I want. So I took a long here because that drop is crazy. So I have the level here, I think pre-market low, that I can risk off. Took it long, stop out, and then took it long, stop out. I think this is a stop. I'm not sure why I stopped out here. Probably I didn't want this to continue down. But when I saw that it's really strong, it's trying to hold this 49.36 pre-market low, I said, okay, I'm gonna try again. If not, if I lose, then I'm gonna end up red on this, because I gave back a bit of my profit here. I might end up red, I think, or break even. Oh, I think I might end up break even, because this was a good trade. And then look at that, and this was the trade of the day. This was a good trade as well, but I gave back a bit, and then I took a long, took profit. Really good move. I even added here. And yeah, I was holding more shares actually, but I took most of it here. And yeah, I stopped out here, but I was supposed to stop out here because I have to leave my desk. Yeah, that's so far that's what I can remember. But eventually I think, oh yeah, look at that. Eventually this ad worked. It's just want to stop me out. Look at that stop. It's like right where I put it. Because I thought it's only gonna hover around somewhere here, 49.90. I said I'm gonna give it maybe 20 cents, 10 cents. But man, just sometimes it happens all the time. And look at that. That was my target, 50.83. Probably gonna go back to previous day close. It's just annoying when this happens. But you know what? Let's watch my trade. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. Let's watch. There you go. Market is about to open. Let's see. Let's move here so we get more details. As you can see here, that's already 1.4 million just at the open. So it's a bit strange. Again, it's really volatile. Spread is 5 cents, 1.4 million, 55 cents range, $2.41 for ATR. See how it goes. So this is kind of like a 1 minute orb, right? You can probably risk 50 or this low. So this is a 50 cent risk range. So that's what I did there, 50 cent. But I was going to risk just half of it because we never know what's going to happen. So I took it long there. Waiting. It was weak. So I took it off because it's probably going to go back. And then I took it short. Let's see why I took it short. Okay. Let's fast forward a bit. So after getting stopped, this is real time. Or maybe fast forward twice. Okay, I took it short probably because this daily level here that's not breaking, and there's a level here, I think in 5 minutes, this is like a pre-market level that it's really not working for me. And I was watching the tape. I saw that, man, it was being sold. Took it there, risking another 50 cents. So this is the 1-to-1 now. Was wondering if I should take all of them. Can't remember what I did. There, took more in there. Yep, I actually took everything off because I just want to be, I just want to stay green. So at this point, I'm green. So at 1-to-1, I took everything off. Not everything off, probably 75%. I still have shares left, but majority of my shares, I took it off because I want to stay green. This trade was bad. I said I'm just gonna add just in case. So average at 50.17. That's my average. See, I'm not even taking profit in there anymore because I don't have any shares. Because that's a huge drop, right? That drop, you have to take your shares because that's like probably 80 cents. That's bigger than the opening from the first minute candle. Probably taken majority of it here. I say I don't have enough shares anymore. It's like an 80-cent move. I should have waited, but it's fine because this trade shook me up in there a bit. And I was kind of long biased because it's right above the opening price. It opened green. It's above VWAP. So it's this trade was kind of risky, but watching the tape really said like it's kind of like not closing at this. The candle was not closing at this point, above this point, and there's a daily level here. So yeah, let's see. So most of it were just price action trading. I kind of don't like my recap today. Kind of not in the mood because all those stuff out. It's like So average now is 49.92. So somewhere here. I said I'm gonna give it maybe 10 cents. Basically, I was willing to give back. I added here because of this level here, so this is a good add just in case. And there's VWAP here, and this area here wherein it will probably stay within this range. Okay, 49.92. See what happens. I gave it 20 cents. See, I've been giving 20 cents, like saying what happened earlier. Let's fast forward this a bit because it's gonna. Okay. Give me one sec. So if you see, the volume is crazy, so I stopped out because that was a good long actually, because you can see from the tape it was so fast. It looks like it's gonna squeeze. But we don't want to chase. It's just within the opening price. This black line is the opening price. It's probably going to go back. I regretted not taking the short there. Like at this point, I'm all over the place. I don't know what to do. I took it long, risking this low day. Let's see, because that was a huge drop. Stop out, got scared. Took it long again, really bad entry. Sorry about that. It's about time. I only trade 15-30 minutes a day. I even added there, so that was risky. Let's see what happens. So I took a long there. I added, doubled my size, protecting this 36. Average is 52. I can probably take profit here now, but I was waiting for 80 and stop out because, man, I don't want it to drop. I have like a bit bigger size in there. To get long, risking the lows. You can see here, risking 30 cents. So that's it. I haven't taken much, so I took more in there. I took half in there. This are 25% take profit. Really can't remember what I did here. At this point, I'm still patient. So I added there. I was gonna take more somewhere here. Come on, take profit. There. That took most of it because it was having a hard time. I still have good shares. Yeah, take more. So I'm almost out of shares, just really small shares. I just want to let it go and give myself a good relief because of what happened here. But eventually this worked. So my idea was right. This was price action trading. This was a mess, like adding and then, So that's what I did here. Average is 83, right? I said, let me add maybe it's 15 cents, 20 cents. Actually more than that, 25 cents. Actually 15 cents, sorry. I left my desk at this point and then eventually step out. I had to use the washroom because I know I'm gonna get stopped at 90. That's why I gave it maybe 20, 15 more cents. But yeah, that was it. Crazy price action. Nothing much really. A bit of a mess. Stop out of the open. Stop out here twice. But this was a break even stop out. This could have been nice, man. Like this trade when I added here. If I held, because this could be like a bull flag actually. That's why I was kind of scared. Maybe it will drop and then I would eventually, because I was still green even after stopping out, like close to break even. And if I stop out here, I'm gonna end up red and it's gonna mess me up. I might overtrade. That's what happened there. Okay, the recording was done. Yeah, let's watch it one more time. See how I traded the open, like, and how I traded here. So 50 cent. So looking at this, I'll probably take it long. Yeah, it's above VWAP. It's above opening price, about $50. I'm probably gonna trade this long. Yeah, that's what I did. And it was not working. There, I saw a big seller. You see that? And then it was holding this green. I shorted. Oh my god, just dropped. And then look at that. Average is 50.17. You have to be really quick when trading a very volatile stock. And then you have to be quick as well getting out. Like, it got better. 50% of the time you will be wrong. Trading the first 2 minutes is really risky. You have to be quick. There you go. Whew, that's good. We've been green for I don't know how many days. I haven't had a red day. It's been great. But yeah, I've been trading Twitter for 3 days now, maybe 4 days. Can't remember. Yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry about the mess. Really not in the mood to make a recap, but I still tried. You can tell from my voice. I think maybe because I'm hungry. Yeah, let's I don't know why I say let's watch my recap. Just want to say thank you, and see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and please, if you haven't, please subscribe.